Everything you've been told about dopamine is wrong. It's not a reward chemical, it's a craving chemical. That one distinction explains why you can't focus, why nothing feels fun anymore, and why you're always reaching for your phone. Dopamine spikes before you get the reward, during anticipation, and it actually drops the moment you get what you wanted. Your brain runs two completely separate dopamine systems. Most people don't know either of them exists. The first is tonic dopamine, your baseline level. Think of it as the water level in a pool. When it's high, you feel motivated, curious, alive. When it's low, nothing matters. Nothing moves you. The second system is phasic dopamine, sharp, fast spikes. These are the splashes. Every notification, every like, every bite of sugar, splash. Most dopamine advice treats these two systems as the same. They're not even close. Your dopamine neurons don't just respond to rewards. They do something stranger. They encode reward prediction errors. You expect a reward and get it. Dopamine doesn't spike at all. Nothing. Unexpected reward. Massive spike. You expect a reward and it doesn't come. Dopamine drops below baseline. You feel worse than before you started wanting it. This is why slot machines are the most addictive machines ever built. Variable ratio reinforcement. Sometimes you win, mostly you don't. Your brain never stops predicting. Social media notifications run the exact same way. That's the mechanism inside your skull. Modern technology found the exploit. Pornography, social media, infinite scroll, hyper-palatable junk food, video games. Neuroscientists classify these as supernormal stimuli. They produce dopamine responses 2 to 10 times stronger than anything your brain evolved to handle. Your neurons think you've discovered the most important resource in human history. You haven't. You found a screen. Your brain responds the only way it can. It downregulates the receptors. Fewer receptors. Each signal hits softer, so you need more and more and more. When enough receptors shut down, your baseline tonic dopamine drops below normal. This is the dopamine deficit state. Cooking feels pointless. Reading bores you. Conversations feel like work. This is anhedonia, the clinical inability to feel pleasure from normal life. And there's a hidden accelerant most people miss. Dopamine stacking. Music plus pre-workout caffeine plus energy drinks while you train, your brain registers one massive combined spike, then it downregulates to match. Now the gym without music feels empty. Coffee alone doesn't hit. You trained your brain to need the full combo. So how do you reset? Protocol 1. Dopamine fasting. Remove supernormal stimuli for 24 to 48 hours. No social media, no porn, no junk food, no video games, just you and boredom. Your receptors start upregulating. Baseline climbs back. It's boring. That's the entire point. Protocol 2. Cold exposure. 1 to 2 minutes of cold water, around 50 degrees Fahrenheit. This raises your baseline tonic dopamine by up to 250%. That's comparable to cocaine. But unlike cocaine, the elevation is slow and sustained. 2 to 3 hours. No crash, because cold doesn't create a phasic spike. It lifts the entire baseline. Protocol 3. Huberman's randomization principle. Stop stacking dopamine triggers. Some workouts use music, some don't. Some days, caffeine, others, nothing. Randomly vary the combination. Your brain can't predict the pattern, so it can't downregulate to match. One thing you can do right now, pick your biggest supernormal stimulus, cut it for 24 hours. Notice what happens. Dopamine is not your enemy. You don't need to eliminate it. You need to protect your baseline. Stop chasing spikes. Protect your baseline. If you like stories like these, please like and subscribe.